A server crashes on average once in 30 days. That is, the mean time between failure MTBF is 30 days. So MTBF is given in the question, 30 days. When this happens, it takes 12 hours to reboot it. That is, mean time to repair is 12 hours. MTBF 30 days, MTTR 12 hours. Now since it is in hour, you have to convert, so days can be converted into hours. The availability of server with these reliability data value is approximately. So availability is MTBF divided by MTTR plus MTTR plus MTBF. So this days needs to be converted into hour. 1 day 24 hour. You just multiply it by 24. You will get some 720 number, I guess. So the answer is third. If you want to try, you can try. I'll just show you how to do this. See, 30 days, we have converted it into 720 by multiplying with 24. 1 day has 24 hours. Now we have hour. Now MTBF is 720 divided by 720, which is MTBF, plus what is the MTTR? That is called 12. So the answer will be 98.36%. It will come 0.9836 in percentage wise. It will be 98.36. So this is the answer. A program P calls two subprograms P1 and P2. P1 can fail 50% time and P2 can fail 40% time. The program P can fail. So this is a set theory example actually. So here we have a program P calling subprograms P1 and P2. So the probability of P1 failing 50%. So this is 0.5. 50 by 100 is 0.5. P2 fail 40% time, so it's 40 by 100, that is 0.4. And now the program P can fail. So either P1 fails or P2 fails, you can just add them. Or if they fail together, now this is already included in P1 plus P2. So P1 fails, P2 fails. If you combine them, there is that probability is also including the combined probability of P1 and P2 failing together. So P1 plus P2 minus intersection of P1 and P2, you have to remove it from P1 plus P2. So what do? P1 union P2 you have to find out. So you 0.5 plus 0.4 minus the multiplication of 0.5 into 0.4. So we are just saying that 0.4 into 0.5, why we are multiplying it? We are assuming that P1 P2 are independent, mutually exclusive. So this is the answer. I'll just show you here. Let me clean it. Formally, if you are actually doing it, you just see how to do this stepwise. You have to manufacture it. So you have 50 by 100 P1, 40 by 100, that is 40%, and the subtract mutually exclusive 50 by 100 into 40 by 100. So what do you get? The answer you get is 70%. 70 by 100 is 70%. So the answer is fourth one here. Assume the following regarding the development of a software system P. The line of code is 33,480. Average productivity of P is 620 line of codes per person month. Number of software developers 6. Average salary of software developer 50,000 per month. If E, D, C are the estimated development effort, estimated development time, and estimated development cost. So E is effort, D is development time, C is cost in lakhs. So how do we compute this? Now I'll tell you a different method. If you have done it already, it's okay. I'll do it only by using the unit method. I'll just see the units and then I'll try to find out. Sometimes confusion may happen. The best way to remove or avoid that confusion is to use the units. The answer here is second one. How to get this? Estimated line of code is 33,480. This is line of code. Productivity is 620 LOC per person month. Developer 6. Salary 50k. Estimated development effort. Please remember, effort will always come in person month. Person month. Person month, how do we get it? See, this is 33,480. This will be in line of code. If you divide it by 620, that will be 620 line of code per person month. So 620 LOC per person month divided by person month. Person month will go in the numerator. LOC get cancelled, so you'll get it person month, and person month means you're talking about effort. So effort can be computed by division of these two, that is going to come as 54. Okay, so this is 33,480 by 620, 54 person month. Now second thing you need to know or find out the development time. Now you need time. So time is, see here, person month. 54 is person month. Now if you can divide, if you can cancel person from here, you will get it in months. How many persons are there? 6 persons. Cancel this. 54 by 6 is month. 9 months you need. 9 months. Now what? I'm not seeing anything. I'm just seeing the units. Next is step 3. That is the cost. Cost is very simple. 50k. You know that it is going for 9 months. How many people are there? 6. So 50,000 into 6 people into 9 months they are working. The cost will be 27 lakh. Please remember 10 lakh is 1 million. So if you know in a million, this is the answer. So the second one is the answer. Our software project has estimated 352 function points, FP. Function points are 352. These are number of functionalities or the functionality being provided by the software product. A 4-person team will be assigned to this project consisting of an architect. 1 is architect, 2 are programmers, 1 is a tester. The salary of the architect is 80,000 per month. 80k. Programmer 60,000 per month. Tester 50,000 per month. The average productivity for the team is 8 FP per person month. 8 FP per person month. So 8 FP per person month. 352 FP is already there. So by unit method also you can do. Which of the following represent the projected cost? So in order to get the cost, let us see. I've already told you about these function points and we discussed that in detail. So 352 is there and this is in function point. The unit is function point. So how many people are there? 8 FP per person month. So if you divide by 8, and since there are 4 persons and 8 FP is the delivery for 1 person. But in 1 month, 1 person, 8 FP. And there are 6 people. The answer is this one, 4th one. So okay, let me do it again. This is 352, 4 and 8. So 4 person, 1 person giving 8. 4 into 8 is 32. Divide 352 by 8. This 8 4 is 32. So this is basically you are dividing the function point because you need to find out the months. So function points divided by the team average each person's FP productivity. And you also need to know the numbers. So you have this FP by TFP. So 4 into 8, 32 it is. 352 by 32 is going to be 11 months. These are the total number of months. Now salary is very easy. See, you know the salary of each of one. 80k plus 60k into 2 because there are two people earning this much, and then 50k. Add them, multiply it by how many months they are going to work? 11 in thousands, right? So you get 2750000. This is the answer. Okay, this is all about this question answer. Thank you so much.